Yeah, I can sing ghazal.
Great. That's great. Jai Baba.
Jai Baba. This is a ghazal John Connor used to sing lot, and I learned from him. आप जिनके करीब होते हैं. So those are fortunate who got your vicinity. आप जिनके करीब होते हैं, आप जिनके करीब होते हैं, वो बड़े खुशी नसीब होते हैं। आप जिनके करीब होते हैं, जब तबीयत किसी पे आती है, जब तबीयत किसी पे आती है, मौत के दिन करीब होते हैं, मौत के दिन करीब होते हैं। जुल्म सहकर जो उफ नहीं करते, जुल्म सहकर जो उफ नहीं करते, उनके दिल भी अजीब होते हैं, वो बड़े खुशी नसीब होते हैं। आप जिनके करीब होते हैं, इश्क में और तो कुछ नहीं मिलता, इश्क में और तो कुछ नहीं मिलता, सैकड़ों गम नसीब होते हैं, सैकड़ों गम नसीब होते हैं। नूह की कद्र कोई क्या जाने, नूह की कद्र कोई क्या जाने, कहीं ऐसे अदीब होते हैं, वो बड़े खुशी नसीब होते हैं। आप जिनके करीब होते हैं, उनसे मिलना फिराक का मिलना, उनसे मिलना फिराक का मिलना, आप किसको नसीब होते हैं, आप किसको नसीब होते हैं। वो बड़े खुश नसीब होते हैं आप जिनके करीब होते हैं. जय बाबा. Thank you.
Thank you. That was just beautiful.
Hey Vijay, this ghazal was
Hi.
sang before Baba by Pratap
Yeah.
Iyer.
Right.
So, of course. So
Yeah.
I remember, but this style was different. And
Right.
the Jingli Kawal of Mehrabad used to sing different. Whose tune you have followed? You know who is Jingli Kawal of Mehrabad? John Connors. John
Ah,
Connors. I used to call him as Jingli
yeah.
Kawal of Mehrabad.
Right. Right. Right.
So
Right.
his style used to.
And
I sing in a
yeah.
different style. You know that? Yeah. I just
Yeah.
go
I
in a
saw.
global style. But thanks
Yeah.
for
That
singing
was
the
like.
ghazal we sang before Baba.
Yeah. That was like this. आप जिनके करीब
That's
होते
Pratap Iyer style.
हैं आप जिनके
Yeah.
करीब
होते हैं.
Yeah.
But I sing in a Ghulam Ali style. आप जिनके करीब होते हैं, वो बड़े खुश नसीब होते हैं, आप जिनके. I like that. Anyhow, thanks a lot, Vijay.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
That was beautiful, Mehrshad.
Jai Mehr Baba.
Nice, nice trying. Keep on singing, Merchant.
I,
Please keep
I,
on
I,
singing. Please keep
I,
on
I,
singing.
I doesn't sing, I doesn't speak. I'm like I told you many times also, I'm like a stepney, you know, spare tire. When
Okay.
main tire gets punctured, I'll be used. I'm like a stepney, spare tire
Yeah.
in a car.
Sing.
Spare tire. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can sing Baba's name like Sachidanand, Parvanand.
That's
Like
all,
that.
all thing. You know, I do every day 2 hours Nam Japari, Hare Meher and all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very nice.
So grateful to have you both here.
The
Pardon?
song, when you are close to us, how fortunate we are.
Yeah. And you know, Vijay, today is Iruch Mama's birthday.
Oh,
That's one of
yes.
yeah.
I know. I know.
And also,
How can I
you are,
forget?
even Meherji Kakaria's birthday too. Meherji's.
I don't know that.
Yeah, Meherji's. Yeah, 13th October.
Yeah. And yeah, it's Dashera. Dashera is coming closer. Well, 16 October is coming closer.
Yeah,
That's
New
a
Life.
Yeah.
Yeah. So do you want to sing that New Life song? Everybody's asking that. So why don't you sing the New Life? Suno Meher Baba ki Kamoshwani.
Yeah.
Ganesh song. Suno Meher Baba ki. That song.
Yeah.
Why don't you sing?
Yeah, I can. Yeah, I have to bring the lyrics. So
Yeah.
yeah, but I can sing 2 lines.
Yeah. Whatever maybe.
सुनो मेहर बाबा की खामोश वाणी इसी में है सब आशिकों की कहानी सुनो मेहर बाबा की खामोश वाणी इसी में है सब आशिकों की कहानी. Yeah. That's it.
And now Meher Chand's turn.
No. Actually, no. So I sent it to you, that tune, Gopi, and the introduction in English, and then
Uh-huh.
the song in New Life song sang by Gopi.
Uh-huh.
That's good. That Vijay, if you want, you can see Hyderabad Multimedia. You can get that in Google.
Sure. Uh-huh.
It's good. And you know, Angela, Vijay got a lot of intimacy with Professor Azra, then
Yeah.
Pankraj, then his
Yeah.
own father, and also
Yeah.
with other gentleman who was Nana Kher
Well,
and all,
when I
and
was
also
young,
with the family, Kher family, that is Vinu Kher's son Mohan and Sanjay, if I'm
I
right.
I I made it compulsory to meet all the Baba stalwarts. Like Dr. Deshmukh
Yeah,
used to visit my house, and
yeah.
he liked my father. So they used to sit and talk for hours. And Dr. C.D. Deshmukh I like the most. He's the most humble person and doesn't bother for humiliation and all. Very simple, such a scholar. But I really salute to him. Then Pukar, of course. And
Yeah.
see, all those great people really only around Baba, only God can bring. Amazing, amazing. Yeah. And
I
then,
feel jealous about you, Vijay, because you are so fortunate to have so close intimacy with them, all of them,
yeah,
especially
yeah.
Professor Azra, Ajay
Yeah.
Kumar Azra.
Even my Western trip, I made it mandatory to touch all the Western Mandali. I call them Mandali, right from Don Stevens and Murshida and Elizabeth and Kitty, and I feel really great. Yeah, yeah, sweet
So
memories.
in next your talk, you should talk about all them, touch for each of them, and you should talk about
Yeah,
them also.
I love to talk. What a beautiful memory. And maybe the 24th I'm talking.
Yeah, that's the
So,
reason I'm reminding you.
yeah. Yeah.
I'm conscious that you have to speak on 24th, but that's the reason I'm reminding
Yeah.
to talk about your association with Professor Azra and Kale
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
all,
Yeah.
Kale family, and also with
Murli Kale. Yeah.
Murli
Murli
Kale
Kale, New
family.
Life Companion. Yeah.
Yeah, with a lot of
Amazing.
stories. He is the hero of the New Life because New Life is on in
Yeah.
this month, and 24th is the day when Baba has finished his Banonash work and left Banonash cave from Hyderabad. So
Oh, Kojaguda. Yeah.
yeah, Kujakuda. Burli Kale is the hero of the Burli Kale, and also what's that? Daulat Singh. Both are the heroes of
Oh,
the New Life.
right, right,
So you
right.
should talk about them also.
Daulat Singh, of course, I don't have
Yeah,
contact,
because
but
yeah,
Pritam Singh, Pritam
yeah.
Singh, when he moved from Bangkok to India, and then he came from Delhi, then he came to Jabalpur also. So he couple months he stayed at our house. He was searching for the house at Jabalpur, and so he stayed with us for a couple months.
Yeah,
Of course, I was very little kid. So I just very rare memory.
yeah,
And Pankraj,
yeah,
uh, then yeah, he was my neighbor. Yeah.
yeah.
Pankraj, the one who introduced how Kalchuri means to Baba. And then he was telling, actually, Baba was talking about obedience. And then to Bhavu. So Pankharaj interfered in between, and he said, "How Baba, he should know about the obedience." And Baba said to Pankharaj, "He knows better than you." So, yeah,
Actually, he was aspiring for the Pankraj was aspiring for the secretaryship.
yeah,
He wants to become the secretary to Baba in the place of Adi. But
yeah, yeah.
Adi
But
was there.
But he was secretary all his life at Jabalpur Center,
Yeah,
and
of course.
playing tablas all the time.
Yeah. And he was equally in Nagpur also, he was very popular, Raj. Stayed for some time
Bhandara.
in Nagpur.
Yeah. He's from Bhandara actually,
Yeah,
near Nagpur, and
yeah.
yeah, actually, he disliked Narayan Maharaj. He used to criticize Narayan Maharaj.
Yeah.
And see, he said, because Narayan Maharaj was so royal, see, and always in his mind that the saints should be wearing like so rich garments and sitting on the throne and like that. So then when he heard of Baba, and he came to Nagar, but Baba, and he told the Mandli he want to see Baba, and he meet Baba, and Mandli, Baba said no. Baba didn't allow him. So for 2 days, 3 days, he was there at Ahmednagar, and then when he insisted, so then Baba says ki let him go to Narayan Maharaj first. So then he understood the greatness of Baba, that Baba knew everything, that he, he
Vijay,
was
you have ever
kind
been
of,
to, did you ever visited Nagpur for many times? Nagpur Center?
oh yeah, Nagpur,
And you had been to
actually,
Tajuddin Baba's this thing also, I
yeah,
think so.
I've been there. Yeah. Actually,
Where do you
yeah.
live, Vijay? Where do you
I
live?
live in Pune.
In
But he is
Pune. Oh, you're
basically
in
from
Pune.
Jabalpur.
Actually, I left my father from Nagpur. My father settled, came to Jabalpur in 41. So I grown up at Jabalpur, and then in 89 I left Jabalpur. For 9 years I was in Hyderabad, and 97 I moved to Pune. So since then I'm here, retired from my service, and I'm here.
You sang very well, huh? It was very
Oh,
well.
thank you. Thank you.
And even
Thank you.
Meherchand sang very well.
Yeah.
Meherchand sang
Matt,
very well.
yeah, he should keep singing. Yeah. See,
You know, Vijay is a very good friend of me and my brothers too. Vijay is
yeah,
friend of not
yeah.
only me, he is not only friend of mine, but also friend of Anil and Ram.
Yeah, actually, you see, I used to go to Amar Tithi every year. So I know almost all the Baba lovers. So
Yeah, your face is always glowing, huh, Vijay Pa? I observe you're always glowing. Is it a
see,
light or is it your real glow?
no, it's a light, LED light like this, and
Acha.
yeah. So I have, because the lights are apart, so I have to take this light on a table. So
I'm saying
yeah.
he's very spiritual. Huh? He looks very
Well,
spiritual. His face is always glowing.
well, I don't know what is spiritual, but I love Baba word, and I love Baba lovers.
You know, they say
And
Noor, no? They talk of Noor, no? That,
Noor is a celestial light.
yeah.
what
So that
Nori
Noor
is
comes
there.
on the face. We talk
So
in
Nori, actually
Parsi we
Nori,
say Noor. Noorani,
yeah,
Noorani we call it. Noorani.
Yeah.
and Nori is there.
There's
I am
one,
the
this thing
Noor.
is, yeah, Noor-e Khuda. It's
Nuri
Meher
Khuda.
Baba Kutub-e Alam Noor-e Khuda.
Yeah. And you see, if the vicinity of Baba makes you cry or happiness, there are
Yeah.
two things. So either you cry or you are happy. Where joy? Yeah.
Vijay, on 24th, you should share all the star words of the Baba lovers like Hazra, Pankraji, Murli Khale,
See,
And
I-
also your close association with Adi Kaka.
Yeah.
Adi Kaka is the one of the instrumentality in sending you to US. So you should
Yeah,
also
yeah.
say that too.
He officially he wrote a letter to the U.S. consul, and then Elizabeth also wrote to the U.S. consul. So it was officially, I feel, I was sent. to
I'm
him.
slowly leaking out all your talk, this gist.
What was your
Wrapper is
profession,
leaked out.
Vijay? What was your
Pardon
profession?
me.
What was your profession?
I retired as a general manager in defense. There are 41 ordnance factories in India, and I was at Jabalpur, then Hyderabad, and here in ammunition factory, Khadki. So I retired from here.
He's a missile man.
No. Ammunition. See, I feel like I am from. I was soldier of Shivaji, so I have to deal with all these ammunition and guns and. So see, that was what Baba put me here in
Military,
the.
So you are in
and your
ammunition means
children?
that. Yeah.
And your children are living abroad? Your children are
Well,
living abroad?
My daughter, she is married and she is in Finland, and my son is in Nashville, Tennessee. Yeah.
You are in
So they
you
joined
work.
in that day.
Yeah, you are in
Yeah.
ammunition factory means that reminds
Yeah.
me twin song. The twin song that is "मैं गले लग जाऊं तो आग लग जाएगा." You remember that? मैं गले लग जाऊं तो आग लग जाएगा. मैं गले लग जाऊं तो that one. So we should be afraid to have your embrace, Vijay.
So, yeah, Raj Khilnani was my customer. Raj. He used to come to my factory for ammunition. Yeah.
Yeah, my father was also in the police force in Bombay.
Oh, really? Uh-huh.
Yeah. Hmm.
Uh,
So I think
Right.
it's getting late for you, I think, Vijay.
It's okay. I sleep
Time to say
around
good night.
11:30. Yeah, good night. Good night. Nice
Good
seeing
night,
you.
good night. Jai Baba, Jai Baba.
So finally, this one is late night chat for you.
Yeah, for me, I normally go to sleep at night 1 o'clock.
Finally,
Normally.
you feel some sympathy for us. We're always staying up late for you. Now you're staying up late for us.
It's a morning day for you.
It's middle of the
Angela.
day. What are you going to sleep now?
Yeah, with the sweet, see, after this program, we get such a good memory of Baba, good, sweet, means very nice sleep we get. And Angela, it's a really wonderful, Angela. I mean, such a circle of friends doing such a great thing. I mean, so much.
Yeah, Angela's doing a great job.
It's
You're
wonderful
great.
to hear you two talk. You two Indians talk about the old time. Boy, that is really special.
Yeah.